Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I have a project share to share with you all. I bought these grapevines from Michaels and they're actually pretty cheap. They're not expensive at all. They're only a few dollars. So I had bought 4 of them, and a friend of mine had told me how to make the project that I will show you. And so I decided to fiddle with it. And I ended up using the purple yarn with it. But you can pretty much do anything in the middle of this that you want. So this is the project I made. It is the Triple Moon, and I used the floral tape, the white floral tape from Michaels, on the edges. So what you have to do first is, one can just stay like it is, but the other one, you need to wrap something around on either side so that you can cut in the middle and it not come apart. And you have to do that on both sides. And then you just turn it to either side, and yeah, it's basically, it's super easy. And I used the floral tape to hold this all together. I don't like how the floral tape, because as you can see, it's not the same color. I did spray paint it black. I don't like how the spray paint, it stays tacky on the floral tape. So what I ended up doing was taking some Mod Podge and covering it so that it wouldn't be tacky anymore and the paint wouldn't come off, because it was coming off on my hands. And then I took the purple yarn and I made a spider web in the middle. Let me move that so you can see it a little bit better. So I did make the spider web in the middle from yarn. It wasn't too bad. You just take the yarn, you take one string and tie it off over here, bring it over to here. Same thing. You just take the strings from side to side. The difficult part was wrapping the string around those to make the spider web. But it wasn't as hard as I thought it was going to be. However, I did take glue. I took the Eileen's Tacky Glue, and I put some bits of glue on each of the tie-off points, because some of them kept popping loose. They weren't staying tied for some reason. I don't know why. And then the last little bit is this spider, and it's just a hair clip. So you can take this off, no problem. It's just a hair clip on there. I got this from Michaels as well when it was on sale. And it was the Halloween items. But you can literally just clip that on there and it stays very well. I mean, you don't have to worry about it coming off. And yeah, that is my little project share for today. I thought you guys would enjoy that. And it's really easy to make. Everything came from Michaels except for the yarn. The yarn came from Dollarama, so it was, and I believe it was only like $1.50, $1.25, $1.50. It was super cheap, but I really like that yarn. And I might try to make another one with wire. I don't know yet, but the yarn is, it does a really good job, so I kind of like that one. I will probably use wire to attach the cut ones to the middle from now on, and not use the floral tape. just because of the fact that I have to do Mod Podge on it. I mean, it looks fine. I have no problem with it, but I might try the wire just to see how well it works with that. But that is it. That is what I wanted to show you guys. That's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.